Mike Innovative Garage Door. We're going to show you the Guardian 628 3/4 horsepower belt drive, and I'm going to give you my opinions on it. The rail was already put together with the correct tension. I feel this kind of stuff in here is so-so. They're giving you a very nice piece of rope and a handle, unlike other companies where the handle just keeps getting a little smaller nowadays. 2 light bulbs. The programming was relatively easy. The photo eyes, you have to strip each wire and go into each one of the slots. The wire wall button station is a plug-in. I think you can also strip that and put it in there, but I chose the plug-in. The limits are a little different, but they work well, and programming the remotes are just as easy as any other company, and there's a slight hesitation and then it goes down. It's relatively quiet. Photo eyes are nice. They are bracket mounted. Everything else is pretty much easy peasy. It is one thing I find rather annoying is when you go through the photo eyes, the thing beeps like 20 times. It beeps upon also when you have the control set and limit set, which is somewhat nice, I suppose. The wall station over here, it has a light button, okay, a lock button. You slide this back and forth, and then obviously a push button. So it's an okay unit. We're putting it in because we had some interference problems here for whatever reason, so we swapped out what we had in here and put this in. So for all your door needs, Innovative Door, 632-719-343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook and Google. Thanks for watching our video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Guardian Garage Door Opener video. Check the link for description and details as well. Thank you.